So, at this point you already know that we love to show you Marbella East, and we love to show you all our little secret hidden gems that we have here. So today we are in urbanization Eden Hills. Eden Hills is located in Las Chapas, thus just a couple of minutes driving from the sea. In this private urbanization, there's a huge garden with 2 swimming pools, one for adults, one for children, with a barbecue area and private parking. We have a property with 2 bedrooms, 1 restroom, and a magnificent terrace that is south-southwest oriented for you to have sun and light the whole day and to see the beautiful sunsets that we have here in the Marbella area. Of course, from this terrace you have an astonishing view on the coast. So, come with us and let us introduce you to this wonder that is Eden Hills. So, what about this lovely little property we have here in Las Chapas? You feel like waking up every day having your breakfast with this astonishing view here? You feel like enjoying the best of what Marbella East has to offer? So, feel free to reach us, do not hesitate, and I'm sure we will find something for you for your next holiday. So, see you soon!